Let's go. Let's do it. I see it. Yeah. Flea John.
Flea.
Yeah. The girls come over here. We put them down. You heard?
Bitch, come here.
But
get down.
You never seen it. Put it down like this.
No.
Let me tell you right now,
Get
like
over
this.
there, get down on the
Hold
ground.
up. Wait a minute.
Deadass.
Wait a minute. Put her down right
Bitch,
now. Like,
yeah, you.
put
Over
her
there.
down, down. I'm talking about down to the ground, my nigga. Like, watch
Get
this.
down on the ground, bitch.
Uh.
Bitch, we want you.
Flea John.
Right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Flea.
Yeah. 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 Put them bitches down.
Down.
Put them bitches down. Put them bitches down, down. Bitch, we put them down.
Put them down.
Put them down.
Down.
Bitches, we put them down. Okay. Down, down. Bitches, we put them down.
Put them down.
Put them bitches down who wanna fuck me.
Fuck me.
I be like, good girl. You looking good looking. So I say, what's good? Do you wanna fuck me? Looking in her eyes. She said she wanna fuck me. Take her to the crib. Put it in her rib. Then she cook me chicken, egg, rice, and some ribs. Girl, look good. She gave me some head. So I said, what's up? Let's fuck it in the bed. Yes. Flea John, nigga, you already know. I'm the shit, bitch. Go blow a flow. I'm that nigga, Flea. You already know. Everybody say, Flea, Flea, Flea.
Nigga.
This nigga hot as shit. Fuck that shit. Putting down all these bitches.
Hey, bitch.
I be like, damn, you got a fat ass.
Why
So
so big,
come
little hoe?
through and let me spend my cat ass. Nah, I ain't a trickin' hoe. Took girl right now, she a sticker hoe. I stick a move, I stick a please. Girl, go come on and smoke the sweet. You get super hot.
High.
You get super hot. Your legs open so far, you thought you could fly. Nah, I am the shit. You ain't shit. Smoking on the split. Get a little hit. Get a little trip. Get a little fly. You already know it's straight Flea. Everybody wanna come through it. Congratulate me on the congratulations on the baby. You already know I'm making babies. You already know I'm making money. Bitch, come over here and pay me. Bitches wave it, bitches wave it, so we put them down like the educated. Educated, nah, you just registered. Your name on that paper, bitch, you registered.
Sign that paper.
You a fucking strata lover with that shit.
With that shit.
Yeah. I talk about the straddlers. I'm talking about the, you know, extra girls on that, all that other bullshit. You know what I'm talking about? Them side bitches and all that shit. Bitch, we put all the bitches down. Bitch, you look fine. You look like a dime. Come over here. You on my